We are proud to announce the sponsorship of 6 vehicles in total, which are 2 buses, which are 37-seater. We've got 2 Toyotas, 1 VW, 1 Suzuki, and that is really what I was actually talking about, is we are a multi-brand company, and we are able to meet all the needs of the Olympic team and of the individual customers that we have.
From our end, we want to make sure that these Olympics will be like no any other Olympics that we have been participated before. I think from the athlete side, they know that we have all done everything. So we want to make sure that with the support that you have come, we are truly an honor for us that we appreciate this partnership. And as you have said, that we are not only maybe for this year, maybe for the other years maybe to come, this partnership will not be just for these Olympic Games in Paris.